ఓం నమో భగవతే విరాజేశ్వరాయ. So on this 27th day of reading Sri Viveka Chudamani, we arrive at 53rd topic of this work. It's known as Vasana Tyagamu. So we have covered the meditations, Brahma Bhavana yesterday. Before that, Sravana, actually, Mahavakya Vichara. So after doing the Sravana, after understanding the meaning of Mahavakya, how to do the meditation is covered. So after meditation, the realization Samadhi will come. What after that? So that is the point of discussion for the day. జ్ఞాతే వస్తున్యపి బలవతి వాసనా అనాదిరేష కర్తా భోక్తాప్యహమితి దృఢా యాస్య సంసారహేతు ప్రత్యగ్దృష్ట్యాత్మని నివసతా సాపనేయా ప్రయత్నాత్ ముక్తిం ప్రాహుస్తదిహ మునయో వాసనాతానవం యత్. వస్తుని having understood the Atma Vastu as Panchakosha Vilakshana, which is different from Panchakosas, which is different, non-distinct from Brahma, ya vasana asya jiva samsara hetuhu. So this strong strong vasanas are which are there. They are samsara hetuhu, means which can give kartrutva bhoktrutva. I am the doer, aham karta aham bhokta, karta bhokta iti drudayasya samsara hetuhu. There is a strong notion that I am the doer, I am the enjoyer. These vasanas pratyak drushtyatmani nivasata sapaneya priyatnat. Sa priyatnat apaneya. Sa priyatnat apaneya tadiha munayah muktim prahuhu. The wise men who have attained that silence, munayah, mauna, who has attained the silence, say that what is mukti is vasana thavanam, getting rid of these notions. So having understood, still there is a need to Brahmasana Susthiti. So to establish oneself in the Brahma Bhava. Brahma Bhava need to be established to become nature of the individual. Aham mameti yo bhavo dehakshadavanatmani adhyasoyam nirantavyo vidusha swatmanishthaya anatmani dehakshadau deha indriyadau aham mama iti, I am and mine this is, yaha bhavaha ayam adhyasa vidusha swatmanishtaya nirastavyaha. Completely by establishing in the self, give up this notion of I am or mine in the indriyas. Jnatma swam pratyagatmanam buddhitadvrutti sakshinam sohamityeva sadvrutya anatmanatmamatim jehi. Anatmani atmamatim jehi. Swam बुद्धि तद्वृत्ति साक्षिणम, बुद्धि तद्वृत्ति साक्षिणम, साक्षी the witness of that buddhi and its vrittis pratyagatmanam jnatva. The witness who is witnessing all these vrittis, knowing that sohamityeva aham saha iti eva sadvrutya, on that right vritti, the right covering, anatmani atmamatim jehi. So getting the notions in I am this anatma. What is anatma? We know anything to start from ahankara to indriyas, deha, everything is anatma. In that, repeatedly this thing keeps coming back. I am, mine is this. That need to be completely removed. Lokanuvartanam tyaktva, tyaktva dehanuvartanam, shastranuvartanam tyaktva, swadhya sapanayam, su swadhya sapanayam kuru. Lokanuvartanam, lokavasana, tyaktva, giving up. Dehanuvartanam, dehavasana, tyaktva, giving up. Shastranuvartanam, giving up the shastras as well, tyaktva. Swadhyasavanayam, swadhyasa apanayam, swa adhyasa apanayam kuru. Swadhyasapanayam kuru. There are three kinds of vasanas. Lokavasana. So what is known as lokavasana is to please the world, to be good in the view of the world. So that is one of the strong vasanas. విద్యతే న ఖలు కశ్చిదుపాయ సర్వలోక పరితోషకరో యః సర్వధా స్వహితయమాచరణీయం కిం కరిష్యతి జనో బహుజల్పః. It is impossible to please the world. So the lokavasana need to be given up first. Then dehanuvartanam, dehavasana need to be given up next. And finally shastranuvartanam, shastravasana also need to be given up. Shastravasana, dehavasana is well known vasana which need to be given up anyway. Shastravasana is the feeling, or I know the shastra, I know the right thing. All this I know, in that I which is knowing, or the knowledge, into that identification into that knowledge is called shastravasana, which need to be given up. Samsara karagruha mokshamichoho ayomayam pada nibaddha srunkhalam vadanti tadnya patuvasanatrayam yosmad vimukta savapaiti muktim. Tadjnaha, people who know that, Brahmaveta. Patu vasanatrayam, these three types of vasanas. Samsara, karagruha moksham, to get the release from the samsara. Ichoho, one who is looking for that. Ayo mayaha, aya is the iron, iron made up of iron. Pasa nibadtrusam khalam, ayo mayaha pasa nibaddha srunkhalam, srunkhalas vada. So one who has given up these three vasanas successfully only gets released from the srunkhalas, or the bondage created by very strong vasanas. Muktim upaiti. జలాది సంపర్క వశాత్ ప్రభూతః దుర్గంధధూతాగరు దివ్యవాసన సంఘర్షణేనైవ విభాతి సమ్యక్ ధూయమానే సతి బాహ్యగంధే. అంతఃశ్రితానంత దురంత వాసన ధూళీవిలప్త పరమాత్మ వాసన ప్రజ్ఞాతి సంఘర్షణతో విశుద్ధ ప్రతీయతే చందనగంధవత్ స్ఫుట. In these two slokas, we see a concept that Jaladi Samparkavat, a sandalwood stick which is kept in the water or left in the water for long, forms a bad smell on the top of it. But once it is taken on to the cleaned up and then by the sangharshana, by the friction created by the stone on the stone and the wood, once on the top layer goes away, the original good smell of the sandalwood stick comes out again. In the same way, what is inward in every individual is covered up by adhyasa. Removing it will clear up the vasanas by the sangharshana, by this friction, by continuously polishing it. Anatma vasana jalai sthiro bhutatma vasana nityatma nishtayam tesham nase bhati swayam sphuta. Anatma vasana jalai, what is not atma? All the notions which are created from the loka, deha, shastra vasanas, dambho, darpo, abhimana, krodha, parushyameva, this kind of things. Asura Sampatti, which is known as Asura Sampatti in Bhagavad Gita, Lord's words. These vasanas, Tirobhuta, which has enclosed, covered by these things. Atma vasana is enclosed by this. Nitya atmanishtaya tesham nase, continuously dwelling in the atmanishta, by that friction, having removed all these vasanas nase, swayam sphuta bhati. It becomes self, it becomes swayam on its own, sphuta, it will become clear, bhati, it will become visible. Yatha yatha pratyagavasthitam manaha tatha tatha munchati bahyavasana nissesha mokshe sativasananam atmanubhutihi pratibandha sunya. Manaha, mind, yatha yatha, however, how it is, pratyak avasthitam, with abhyasa vairagya, sitting inside, turned inward, tatha tatha, bahyavasana, in that way, the outward vasanas, which are like ego, etc., munchati, they will leave on their own and go away. Vasanayam nissesha mokshe, after these external vasanas are left on their own, sativasananam, of the real inward, the vasa, right Brahma bhavana, atma anubhutihi, automatically the atma will come into the realization, atma anubhutihi pratibandha sunyaha, because there is nothing to stop that is there, is left. Pratibandha is not there. So that is how one should get established in the Brahma bhavana continuously. With that, we will close today's reading of Sri Viveka Chudamani.